Guys, I'm your quick tech buddy, and in this video I'll tell you that how to use Cisco WebEx. So Cisco WebEx is basically used for online video conferencing and it is a very good software for video conferencing. So let's start our video after this short break. So the contents which I am going to discuss in this video are sign up and sign in, profile setup, download plus setup, joining a meeting and creating a meeting. So you can see the timestamps on the screen, and if you know or if you have done any of these steps, then you can skip to the time given on the screen. So first we will do our sign up. So for sign up we need to open our main browser. Here I am using Google Chrome as my main browser. Once you have opened Google Chrome, search webex.com and now you can see sign up. Now it's free. Click on this to sign up and here you have to enter your email address. Once you have entered your email address, click sign up to continue. And here you have to select your country. So here I have selected my country and now I have to enter my first name. So here I am naming myself as Quick Tech Buddy. And then press continue and here you can see that they have sent an account activation link to your email. So this link will expire in next 24 hours. And if you didn't receive an email, you can click this option to resend activation link and you can also use a different email address. So you will get that account activation link in your email. So open your email by searching here mail and open mail, and here you can see this mail. Open this mail and here you can see get started, and here you can create your password. Click this link and it will open your browser. So now I have to enter my password and then I have to confirm my password. So for creating the password there are some rules, which are that password must be of at least 8 characters and the password must have at least 2 letters that are one capital and one small 2 times. So that means, so for example, your password is AABB. Then there should be 2 small letter and 2 capital letter. And this should be a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, and it should have one number. That means 1, 2, 3, etc. And this must not contain your name, username or company name, because someone can easily guess your password. So create a password which is not common. So here I am entering my password. So now I have entered my password and I have re-entered my password also. And then press continue to successfully create your account. And now you can see this type of interface. And before doing the profile setup, I'll show you that how to sign in. For doing sign up, you have to again open webex.com and here you have to click sign in. Click sign in and here you can see Webex Teams and Webex Meetings. Click Webex Meeting to continue. And now it's asking your email address. Enter your email address and then click next. But I don't want to sign in because I have already signed in. And once you have clicked next, it will simply ask for your password. Enter your password and then you will see this type of interface. So now I will tell you that how to do your profile setup. So in this page, you can change your logo. That means the profile pic of your ID. So click this change button to change your logo. And here you can upload picture. So you can choose the picture whichever you want. For example, this picture. And then it will ask you to crop your picture. And then you can successfully upload your profile pic. So I don't want to change my profile pic now. So I am closing it. And here you can see this URL, which is your personal meeting room. And if you will share this URL, then someone can join your meeting with this URL. And here you can see meetings. Click this meetings and then in meetings you can see your upcoming meetings and here past meetings. So I have not done any meeting yet. So this will show only this, and here you can see schedule. And here you can get the recording, screen recordings, which I will tell you later. And here you can see the preferences. So in preferences, you can change your time zone, language, region, sign-in accounts. And there are many more preferences which you can change by yourself. These preferences are my personal room, audio and video, scheduling and recording. These settings you can do yourself. And in these 4 settings, we don't need to do anything. Here you can give simply your feedback, and here you can see the downloads, and here is the support. If you have any issue, then you can contact the support. And now I'll tell you that how to download WebEx in your PC and how to do its setup. So for this, go here and select Home. And here you can see that you can install Cisco WebEx for your PC. Click this download button to download the setup. And here you can see that the downloading has started webex.exe. So now the setup is downloaded, and open this setup. And here you can see it's written meet face to face wherever you are. So this is the setup which will take some time, and make sure that your internet is connected because it requires internet to download. And once this setup is over, you can see your WebEx app. So let's skip this duration. So now we have done our setup, and now I'll tell you that how to join a meeting. So for joining a meeting, the host of the meeting will send you a link through email or any other means, and the host can also send it through WhatsApp web. And if you want to learn that how to use WhatsApp web in PC, you can click that info button to see that video. So for joining a meeting, you need to enter that URL here and just paste that URL here, and you can see join option. Click this join option to join that meeting, and it will take some time. And here you can see that your microphone is muted and your video is also turned off. And don't change these settings, and click this join meeting option. And here you can see host is there and I am there. And now I'll tell you the controls. So the controls which are here are microphone, you can mute or unmute your microphone. Start my video, you can turn on or turn off your video, and here you can share content. It's very useful for online teaching and for showing presentations. And if you will click this, and here you can see the background apps which are running. And here you can also use whiteboard. And if you will click this share button, everybody can see your whiteboard. And click this OK. And here you can see that you can type anything, and also you can annotate, and here you can change the ink color, and you can also clear your annotations, and you can save this also. And there are many more settings here which you can use yourself. And if you want to close your screen sharing, click here, and here you can see whiteboard. Click this cancel button and select yes. And it will ask that do you want to save the current document, and if you want to save, then select yes, and if you don't want to select, click no. And now here you can see participants, and you can close participants, and then you can see participants again. And here is the chat. So in chat you can send to everyone, and here if you want to send hi, type hi and send that message to anyone. Here you can see everyone and send that message. Here you can see the messages sent. And here are the more options. So these more options are connect to a device, speaker, microphone and camera. You can change the settings of speaker, microphone and camera. And here you can see your preview of camera, your microphone and your speaker. So you can mirror your video by clicking this option. So now you can see that my video is mirrored. And close this. In more option, you can copy meeting link and invite more people. So these all are the settings when you join a meeting. And now I'll tell you that how to create a meeting. And for creating the meeting, you need to share your personal room URL. So here is my personal room URL. Click this button to copy URL. And now the URL is copied. You can share the link via email or WhatsApp web. And once you have shared the URL of your personal room, then click this start a meeting option to start your meeting. And it will take some time to start meeting. And here all the settings are same as when you join a meeting. And click start meeting to start the meeting. And here you can see that waiting for others to join. And all the settings are same, but there are some more settings which I will tell you. So the first new setting is recorder. You can record the whole meeting by clicking this button, and here you can record in cloud and record on my computer. So here I am selecting record on my computer. Then click record, and then it will ask the location wherever you want to save that file. So here I am selecting desktop, and then the recording is started. And if you want to pause the recording or stop the recording, click this button. And the next few new settings are you can invite and remind people. This is same as sharing the link, and you can lock the meeting. And when you lock the meeting, no one can join your meeting without your permission. So you can lock your meeting whenever you want. And here are the notes for your meeting. And here you can enter the notes whichever you want. And whenever a person joins your meeting, he or she can directly enter your meeting if your meeting is unlocked. And if the meeting is locked, no one can join your meeting without your permission. So these all are the settings which we need to do in Cisco WebEx. And I hope you learned something new today. And if you are new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you can get every update from my channel. Thanks for watching.